Alright guys, today I went to the airport because Sunday landing of the Emirates, because I saw the plane because it's there. Yeah, hello Dominic, it's my brother of Dominic. Look at this giant airplane, Dominic. I think it's landing soon, the Emirates. We have to see soon. They take off another. Yeah, we cannot see. It's going another. No, I think it's not coming. The Emirates. I think it's not Emirates. But what is doing? This mister. I think they take off another airplane. But it's going away. But then when they stop because they hear the car. Giant airplane. I don't know what it is. Wait. Look at this! Emirates! Wow! Jesus Christ. Guys, no way! The Emirates, they landing, it was you! Jesus Christ, I cannot believe this. Was you. But they take off. I think they take off of the British Airways because I saw the line of the red, blue, and the red. Because they got the two red and they got one red. Have to put it back. Yeah. Take your sunglasses. Yeah. It's an airplane. British Airways. So guys, if they come 3 times airplane, I say one time Jesus, and they landing off the Norwegian airplane because they landing off the airplane, and I saw the fireworks, and they take off. Bro, what is doing the British Airways? They cannot take off this one because they'll crash, because they'll lose. Because if they're not gonna take off under from there, because I saw only the track. But it's landing off the Emirates, and I have a giant blue sunglasses. I cannot believe this. But look at this airplane. I don't know what they take off. Because they take off of the British Airways. Right now we have to see soon. But I hear the sound when the engine by which they'll take off. I think there. But not this Air Force. I think they'll take off there. But look at this. Too much. Wait. They start this one. No, I think they doesn't start. I think they doesn't start the engine. EasyJet! It's coming out the EasyJet. I cannot believe this. I didn't think of EasyJet. I cannot believe this. But we still take off. Not the EasyJet. I think they'll take off. This great player, I don't know what they write. British Airways don't take off now. They take off already. And I saw this small plane. That one they'll take off? I think no. But this one, what is doing? I think we have to finish the end. Because I will make another video. Okay? The video is over. But have to wait, and thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to see the airplane, and also to come another airplanes, and they take off up to the sky, the British Airways, and I bought a toy of Emirates, and I was lucky so much, and I bought the large blue glasses I buy from Smart. I'll see you soon. Bye y'all.